Hello everyone! Welcome back to 30 Days of Korean with Katie. 안녕하세요, Katie입니다. Have you ever heard stress when you're talking to Korean friends or when you're watching K-dramas or movies? I'm pretty sure you've heard because we get stressed very easily. I know Korean people are pretty hardworking. We work so many hours a day. So what I'm gonna teach you today is how to use stress. How to say stress in Korean too. Anyway, your time is precious and I don't want to waste them. So without further ado, let's do this. Alright, let me start with the pronunciation. What? Why? This is an English word because we don't say stress. We say 스트레스. 스트레스. I know, exhale like 3 times. 스트레스. One more time, say them out loud please. 스트레스. Perfect. So, think about like how to say are you stressed in Korean. You'll probably say 스트레스 있어? Sorry, that's not correct. We don't say 있어. So you are gonna say stress 받아. 스트레스 받아. Because somebody or something gives you stress, right? That makes you stressed. So that gives you stress and you're gonna say 스트레스 받아. That means you're getting stressed because of something. So instead of using 있어, you are gonna say yes, 받아. Receive, get. 스트레스 받아. You get stressed. 스트레스 받아. One more time, slowly. 스트레스 받아. When you're talking to your friends through KakaoTalk, which is Korean application we normally use, your friend sending you so many you. Yeah, that means that person is getting stressed. You can ask, 스트레스 받아? One more time, 스트레스 받아? Yeah, you're being just like a Korean. Good job. Okay, so it's practice time. I want you to think about things that makes you get stressed. Maybe it could be work, friendship, your future, or exams, whatever, right? Because we like to share concerns and worries. Let me just act it out. Hey, 스트레스 받아? 시험 때문에 스트레스 받아. That means you're stressed because of the exams. 일 때문에 스트레스 받아. Oh my god, I'm getting stressed because of my work. 직장 상사 때문에 스트레스 받아. I'm getting stressed because of my boss. I'm getting stressed because of my girlfriend. 나 여자친구 때문에 스트레스 받아. I'm getting stressed because of my boyfriend. 나 남자친구 때문에 스트레스 받아. Okay, just now, think about what makes you get stressed. Yes, let's put that thing in the sentence. Blah blah 때문에 스트레스 받아. Right, that's informer. So if you're talking to someone who is older than you, you're gonna say 저 means me in a polite way. 저 blah blah 때문에 스트레스 받아요. Yeah, I just put you at the end. That's it. 저 blah blah 때문에 스트레스 받아요. Let me give you an example. 저 일 때문에 스트레스 받아요. I'm getting stressed because of my work. Alright? It's your turn. Yes. Try to practice many times and please say them out loud. Okay? Good. 이제 연습해 볼게요. Time to give it a try. I'm gonna ask you in Korean and please answer me in Korean too. Think about things make you get stressed and now put the thing in your sentence. 스트레스 받아? 저 블라블라 때문에 스트레스 받아요. Go. 제가 질문할게요. 이제 한국어로 대답해 주세요. 스트레스 받아요? Go. If you're not sure what to say, please go back to the beginning because I taught you how to say them out. Okay? Let me ask you again. 스트레스 받아요? Well done everyone. That's pretty much all for today. Instead of saying 스트레스 있어? No. You learned? Yes. 스트레스 받아? Right. If you're talking to someone, you have to be kind of polite. You can say 스트레스 받아요? Right. And you can also say blah blah 때문에 스트레스 받아. Right. You just sound like a Korean. Perfect. I'm gonna see you soon in day 5, okay? If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel likes button, please. I'm gonna see you soon in day 5. Have a great, fabulous day. Bye-bye. 안녕.